Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix "Oh no, it crashed" error on Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege game. So if you are also coming through this kind of issue or error, then go through this video guide and follow the steps one by one. So the first thing you need to do is to restart your PC. So for that, go to the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. So after restarting your system, now check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Now go below, find the application, and here the application is. Yes, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility, then select run this program as an administrator, and then click on apply and OK. Now check if the issue is fixed. If not, you simply need to click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, and then hit on apply and OK, and now see if the issue is resolved. If not, you should click on disable full screen optimizations and then hit on apply and OK, and after that check if the issue you are coming across is fixed or not. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files on Steam, now check if the error you are coming across is fixed or not. Next solution is to update graphics card. For that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below and expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then again click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check if there is any update for the drivers, and after that launch the game and see if the problem is resolved or not. Nvidia and AMD users, just go through the link that I have provided in the description and update your graphics card, and after that try to launch the game and see if the issue is resolved. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolutions, or any other that directly impacts the game, can lead to such kind of issues. So you are suggested to lower the graphic settings, and after that try to launch the game, and hopefully this solution will help to resolve the issue. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadowplay, MSI, Afterburner, or others, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. So after trying this, launch the game and see if it's working. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for Task Manager, and now under processes, you should check if any app is consuming high resources or of no use. You simply need to select it, right click on it, and then click on end task. So this will close the app completely from your system that is running in the background, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, the final solution is to send crash report. So when nothing works, then it's time to send crash report to the developers through the message that you are getting after the game crashes, or you can simply contact Ubisoft help. Link I have provided in the description. Just go to the help section, check if the issue is from their end, or you can contact them and tell about the issue, and hopefully they will try to resolve the problem. So basically these are few suggested solutions to fix the issue. Apart from this, if you are getting the error continuously, then it's suggested to wait for some time, and after that again launch the game and see if this solution helps to resolve the issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.